Here I have INFINIX Smart 7, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do it, you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So firstly, you have to remove cover from your device in order to access this slot. Slot is located right here, so what you will have to do is to put this tool inside this hole next to the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you have the SD card slot, and here you have two SIM card slots, and this one is for SIM 1 and this one is for SIM 2. So you insert SIM 1 that way, and then put it back into device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification inquiring that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.